So I get the question a lot. Foundation repair isn't cheap by any means. And people ask me all the time, where do these people come up with the money to be able to pay to get their foundations fixed? Because everybody knows it's going to be at least $10,000 when we come out to fix a foundation, especially using steel piers, because it's a lifetime solution. It's not something that you're going to have to do again, nor will you want to do again. So I get asked all the time, how do people afford it? Honestly, most people can't afford it. No one has $10,000, or very few people have $10,000 sitting in an account to put towards something that they're not really going to see anything out of it, right? We offer financing. We work with quite a few companies. We're able to get 95% of the people that we run through this program, we get them qualified and they're able to make monthly payments up to I think it's 12 years, the term. So we're able to help in that way and gives the owners some relief. And we have a lot of owners who actually have the money. They have the cash and to get their foundation fixed. And I still tell them to get it financed, because why are you going to spend $10,000, $15,000 on foundation repair out of your pocket when you can just finance it and pay it over time? Don't put yourself in a bind. So if you're not sure if you can, afford it or get qualified or whatever, we'd be happy to talk with you and see what we can do. We work with one major company, but with that one company, we have access to over 25 lenders. So we have a good chance to be able to get you approved and get your foundation fixed for you. But yeah, if you have any questions or concerns or just don't know what's going on with your foundation, give us a shout. We'd love to help. We'd love to come out and visit with you and give you an honest opinion.